Hey guys, how are you? So, I figured I'd do some vlogging today. Yeah, I'm walking home from the gym wearing my iJustine gaming t-shirt, which I absolutely love, across the road. And yeah, I absolutely love this t-shirt because I love Justine's gaming videos, but also because Justine sent me the code to get it. Yeah, because she's awesome like that. She's an awesome friend. Yeah. So yeah, I've just been down the gym. Did about 850 calories, something like that. And I feel absolutely shattered, but I haven't been able to go since last week. I've been busy over the weekend. As you saw, I went to a roller derby and I went to see the Dictator. But I have done walking other ways and things and other exercises, so yeah. But yeah, I've been down the gym and now heading home, and I'm going to make some burritos for myself. Yum! Day 2 of making burritos. Yesterday it took me quite a while. It did as well today, but before I wrap them, here they are. So I've got the num 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 num. I've got 2. There we go. I've done a little bit too much filling, but it's something you've got to get used to and figure out. So yeah, and I know from yesterday that these are going to be yummy.
Sutton are sorry to announce that the 50